Derya and Kerem explore Sakarya. "Hooray!" shouted Kerem. "We are here!" Derya and Kerem, along with Didem, had finally arrived in Sakarya, Turkey. Didem smiled. "This place is known as the Land of Green, my dears. Get ready for an adventure." Their first stop was the magnificent Sapanka Lake. The water shimmered blue and silver under the sun. "It looks like a giant mirror," Derya whispered, looking across the wide water. Didem rented a little rowboat. Kerem giggled as they paddled out. "Fun fact," Didem said, steering carefully. Sapanka Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes near Istanbul. We use this water for drinking. Next, they drove to Tarakli. This village was famous for its perfectly preserved Ottoman houses. The buildings were bright white with dark wood frames. "It feels like stepping back in time," said Derya, admiring the architecture. But Sakarya also has big water. They drove east until they reached the coast. "The Black Sea!" shouted Kerem, running toward the long sandy beach. The waves rushed in with a mighty roar. Derya started building the biggest sandcastle she could, decorating it with seashells. Didem watched them play. "Sakarya has a very long coastline, running for many kilometers along this beautiful sea," he informed them. After the beach, Didem took them to see something truly ancient, the Justinian Bridge. It was enormous, made of heavy stone, and built almost 1,500 years ago. They drove inland, past fields full of trees. "Can you guess what these are?" Didem asked. Kerem shouted, "Apples?" Derya giggled. "No, silly. Sakarya is famous all over Turkey for its delicious hazelnuts." The final part of their trip was high up in the mountains, visiting a green plateau, or yayla. The air was clean and cool, and wildflowers grew everywhere. It felt like living inside a fuzzy green carpet. Kerem yawned happily. Derya hugged Didem. "Sakarya is amazing. We saw lakes, historical towns, the Black Sea, and mountain fields." Didem nodded. "Remember the Land of Green, my little explorers. We will return soon,